Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Allison, but you can just call me Allie. So for today, we're gonna be making some monkey bread, and it's super easy. It only asks for 5 different ingredients, so let's get started. You're only gonna need sugar, ground cinnamon, biscuits, butter, and brown sugar. To be able to make this recipe, you're actually gonna need one of these bundt cake pans. Mine is like kind of fancy. You could just do like one of the most basic ones without all these ridges. So let's get started. It smells so good. Oh. Okay, so now comes the taste test. I'm so excited. Okay, so to eat it, you just literally pick it out. Ooh, it's hot. All right, cheers. Oh God. It's literally crunchy on the outside, perfectly moist and soft on the inside. Look at that. Oof. Sweet, salty with the butter. It's perfect. If you guys try this at home, make sure to comment down below how it came out. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and follow. See you guys next time. Bye!